Hello everyone. Nice Tata classroom, good. Huh? Good evening. Many students are there. Surya official is also there. Naveed. So good evening everyone. So in last class we have studied about degree of amines. We have also seen many functional groups. Now, I told you about different functional group. At least everyone should be able to recognize the functional group. बताओ तो acid anhydride. Do you know what is acid anhydride? Do you know what is acid anhydride? Acid anhydride. Acha, one homework I told you, imide, amide. Imide is amide with double bond. Hai? You are saying ki imide is amide with double bond. Just think, is there any place to put double bond? ऐसे करेगा? In last class, I asked you one question ki everyone knows amine, imine. So what is amide, imide? Acha bhai, leave all these things. IPL, focus here. I gave you this question and you are not able to tell the answer. You are saying double bond, that is imide. So carbon having 5 bonds now. Carbon having 5 bonds now. Ab batao, have you searched it also? Ki what is imide? Rishvita is writing something. Amides have 1 carbonyl group while imide have 2 carbonyl group. This you can tell. Ki NH is there. If you write CO this side, this only you have done a CONH2 amide, CONH2 amide. But if carbonyl is on both sides, this is known as imide. If carbonyl is on both sides, this is known as imide. Amides are very weak bases, weaker than water. Imides are less basic yet and in fact react with a strong base to form salt. You are doing this on the basis of basicity and all. No. Okay? Venkat also writing the same thing. So now is it clear? कि carbonyl should be on both sides. Carbonyl is on both sides. Carbonyl is on both sides. Carbonyl is on both sides. So then you can say, sir, can you give me any example of imide? Can you give me any example of imide? So see, when you will study chemistry and you will reach in class 12, there is amines chapter. In that amine chapter, there is a very important compound. There is a compound, very important compound. Before going to that compound, I will write one acid. See, there is one carboxylic acid like this, ortho position carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid. This is known as thaliamide. This is known as what? This is known as phthalic acid. This is known as phthalic acid. Common name of this dicarboxylic acid is phthalic acid. But the spelling is a bit different. PH is written in beginning. PH silent. You can say only this. What is the name? Phthalic acid. Now from this phthalic acid only, we can derive this thing. So this is known as imide. This is known as imide. So can you see carbonyl connected from both sides to NH? Imide, very, very important compound. There is a compound phthalimide also. There is a compound phthalimide also. If you write CONH2, here also you write CONH2, then this is phthalimide. CONH2 is amide. Two carbonyl connected, it is imide. All are derived from phthalic acid, you can think. So three compounds I have told you now. Phthalic acid, phthalimide, phthalimide. No, in class 11 I think it is not there. In class 11 part I think it is not there. Phthalic acid, some common names, some common compounds we will teach you. Like you know na benzene, some people also know toluene. Like there are so many compounds. So one by one you will learn all these compounds. One by one you will learn all these compounds. Like I can tell you some basic compounds. Let's see you are knowing the name or not. देखो इधर some basic organic compounds I am telling you. You know this? This is benzene. This is what? Benzene. Everyone knows this. You will say, sir, very easy. Do you know this compound? Batao. Do you know this compound? Toluene. This compound is what? Toluene. Benzene connected to one CH3, toluene. Do you know this compound? Aniline. These are very popular compounds in organic chemistry and I am writing their common names. Do you know this compound? OCH3 group connected. Bolo. OCH3 group connected. Some common compounds I am just telling you, which you will see slowly, gradually in different chapters. What is the name of this compound? Do you know? Anisole. This is an ether. You can say which functional group is there? Ether. This is an ether. Can you tell me formula name of this compound? In place of methyl, ethyl is written this time. In place of methyl, ethyl is written. Batao. In place of methyl, ethyl is written. This is known as phenitol. Anisole, phenitol. This is also ether. Do you know this compound? OH written here. Phenol. Is it okay? One compound I have just told you. I have told you COOH. Two COOH were there. But now I am writing only one COOH. Do you know name of this compound? I have told you. Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. So these are few common compounds which you can remember. Pyridine. Five carbon ring is there. Pyrrole. So many compounds are there which I can tell you. देखो diamond structure. Diamond structure not a big deal. It is a 3D network like structure. One carbon connected to four other carbon. Have you seen these compounds? एक बार देख लो. See the names once. One child is saying कि sir draw diamond structure. देख लो पहले ये, सी दिस कंपाउंड्स, एनिसोल, फेनिटोल, दिस इज ईथर ईथर, दिस इज फेनॉल, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, पाइरिडीन, पाइरोल. Okay, so diamond structure, what do you think? As we see movies and we see कि sir diamond is there like this. This is diamond structure, huh? No. Diamond structure you have seen like this. There is no significance of that structure now, but you can think like this. Ki see, one carbon connected to four other carbon. Tetrahedrally it is connected. It is a 3D structure. Now this carbon again connected to three carbon. Again one carbon. This carbon also connected to three carbon. This carbon also connected to three carbon. This carbon again connected to three. This carbon again connected to three. ठीक है ना? So like this keeps on happening. That is the internal structure of diamond by showing connectivity. ठीक है? So now we are not interested in this. Clear? Okay, let's see some other compounds also. Do you know name of this compound? CS3. Xylene. This 2CS3 connected, xylene. Acha, you know one point, like see, this is benzene na. Listen everyone, this is benzene. Now all the positions are same. All the positions are same. If I connect one group here, suppose G. If I connect one group here, G, then beside this position is known as ortho. This position is ortho with respect to this group. This position is known as meta. This position is known as para. So you can say that there are two ortho positions, two meta positions and one para position. So these two are near to each other na. With respect to this position is ortho. So you can say orthoxylene. You can call it orthoxylene. Thiophene structure also given in NCERT. Okay, we will come to all those points. Wait. Orthoxylene. Can you tell me diagram of metaxylene? See, first group you can connect anywhere, your choice. First group you can connect anywhere. Suppose I connect one methyl group here. Then beside this methyl group, this position is what? Jaldi batao, everyone try to tell. What is this position with respect to this? This position you will say ortho. Beside this position you will say meta. Now this is metaxylene. Mata nahi, metaxylene. Can you draw paraxylene? Paraxylene. First group you can connect anywhere. All the positions are same. It is not like this, ki sir, this one only I will write. This is paraxylene. You can connect anywhere. First atom you can connect anywhere. First group you can connect anywhere. Suppose I connect that group here. Then can you tell me which is para position? If I mark 1, 2, 3, can you tell me which is para position with respect to this methyl group? Bolo. Which is para position with respect to this methyl group? Which is para position with respect to this methyl group? So third one, yes. Beside this is ortho, this is meta, this is para. So now this compound is paraxylene. Is it okay? Okay. Some more compounds you were saying. Ki sir, what do you mean by furan? This compound is furan. There is one more compound, tetrahydrofuran, THF. Tetrahydrofuran. tetrahydrofuran, furan, tetrahydrofuran. Remove the pi bonds, tetrahydrofuran, THF. Clear? One child was asking thiophene structure. We have said thio means what do you understand? Sulfur. Thio means what do you understand? Sulfur. So you can say this is thiophene. You can also see this diagram. See, in this diagram, how many carbon atom you can see? Batao to. In this diagram, how many carbon atom you are able to see? Now see, if you try to remember these compounds in one time only, it is very difficult for you now. But I am telling you, just giving you an overview. There are so many compounds which we will remember slowly and gradually. I also did not remember all the compounds in one day. Slowly, gradually, as we are using it, we are learning it. As we are using it, we are learning it. We are using aniline, then we remember, acha, this is aniline. Next day we use pyridine, then we say, acha, this is pyridine, like this. So 7 carbon are there. You have to write alternate pi bonds. You have to write alternate pi bonds. These all are important. This is written tropone. This is written in NCERT, tropone. Is it clear? So many structures I have told you. I have told you about ortho meta para also. Clear? Dekh lo. There are many more structures like naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene, and so on. Okay? Acha, one more point is there. Many people are asking new words. Okay, na? One thing I have told you in the first class only, there are many online lectures going on. There are many online lectures going on. Teacher can write their big compounds. Have you seen this compound before? You will say, sir, no sir, this is very big compound. But first you decide what you are preparing for. You are preparing for NEET, mains, IIT board, and then study accordingly. If you are studying for NEET, once you check previous questions also, you will find that after 2018 the paper is very easy. So we should not waste our time in contents which are outside NCERT. Which are outside NCERT. Otherwise that will be wastage of our time now. Which are in NCERT, we will follow it. Clear? Okay. Now come to the next part. So many compounds I have written. Many compounds are more in NCERT, which we will write slowly and gradually. Now let's study something now. First point, again, what is in NCERT? I will show you at last. Do you know what is electrophile? Do you know what is electrophile? You can say like this, electrophile are electron deficient species. You can say generally electron deficient species. If they are electron deficient species, that means what? They will accept a pair of electron. They will accept a pair of electron. If they are electron deficient species, then they will accept a pair of electron. Those who accept a pair of electron, those are also known as Lewis acid. So we can say acts as Lewis acid. What is Lewis acid? Electron pair acceptor. What is Lewis acid? Batao. Electron pair acceptor. Correct, you have written कि electrophile reacts by accepting electron. Electron deficient means you can say ki incomplete octet. Incomplete octet. Like few examples I can give you. I will not go in detail now, but we can write few examples like H plus. H plus is an electrophile. Cl plus, Br plus. All the halogens you can write like this. These are electrophile. NO2 plus, electrophile. CH3 plus, electrophile. So very limited we have written कि these are electrophiles. Clear? Why I am telling you this? I will tell you, don't worry. Then can you tell me what is nucleophile? Nucleophile, you can say they are electron rich species. You can just write opposite. Their octet is complete. Octet the basic you have studied in class 8th 9th also. Their octet is complete except electron pair. You will say what? Donate electron pair. Donate electron pair. Here you have written acts as Lewis acid. Now you have to write acts as Lewis base. Can you tell me what is a Lewis base? Can you tell me what is a Lewis base? नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे deficiency on neutron and proton. ठीक है ना? What is a Lewis base? You have said Lewis acid is electron pair acceptor. Lewis base you can say electron pair donor. So are these two definitions clear to everyone? Everyone can tell what is electrophile and what is nucleophile. Now here I have just written few points. But when we will study this in detail, we will write many examples of electrophile. All electrophiles are not cation. ठीक है ना? There are neutral species also. And many more things are there. As we are studying this, listening this for the first time, in first time we should study just basic. Like when you started learning things, on the very first day, your parents, your teachers did not tell you कि भाई apple is APPLE. What do you think? You started learning English from this point? कि on the first day only they told you A for apple and the spelling is APPLE. बताओ ऐसे बताया था क्या? You can say, sir, I don't remember, sir. Very small childhood. First they tell you कि बेटा there is one alphabet A. You also say A. Then they teach you this for so many days. Then you are perfect with A. Then you start saying B, C, D, E like this. Okay? And then they tell you one day कि A for apple. Then you take so many days to learn this point कि अच्छा A for apple. Then after so many days they tell you कि अरे spelling is there APPLE. And then you practice this again and again and then you learn कि अच्छा APPLE apple. ठीक है? Then you study ball also. Then you study cat also. And now you think these are useless things. They are not asking in the paper apple, ball, cat. But everything starts from this basic only. You also learned the same thing. I also did the same thing. Okay? So D for dog also, correct. D for donkey also. Okay? So that's why we are studying the basic things. So we are doing just a start. So now let's write examples. Examples you can write Cl minus, Br minus. You can write water, See, water having lone pairs. Everyone is having complete octet. You can write ammonia. You can write H minus. All these are nucleophiles. All these are nucleophiles. So hope the concept of electrophile and nucleophile is clear to everyone. Hope the concept of electrophile and nucleophile clear to everyone. Concept of electrophile, nucleophile clear to everyone. Elephant, D for dragon also. Dragon. Br plus I have written and Br minus I have written. Br plus is different thing. Br minus is different thing. Clear? Okay. Now, why I have told you these things? Why I have told you these things? Because next topic we are going to study is types of reaction. Types of chemical reaction, or you can say types of chemical equation. Types of chemical reaction we are going to study. That's why I told you these things. Very, very, very important. Like, sir, what is type of a chemical reaction? We can divide the reaction into many parts. Like I can say substitution reaction. Listen carefully. Substitution reaction. Then I can say addition reaction. Then I can say elimination reaction. Can you see the name of these reactions? ध्यान से देखो. हाँ, so many are there. Combustion reaction, decomposition reaction, dehydration. Correct. So I have given you common examples like H plus, Cl plus, Br plus, NO2 plus, CS3 plus. Like this they will ask. Come to the next point, substitution reaction. So now see, exothermic reaction. Very good, Mahesh. Exothermic is there. Acha, you are knowing many names, na? Sir, endothermic is also there. Sir, oxidation reaction, reduction reaction. Sir, redox reaction is there. Halogenation, dehalogenation, dehydrohalogenation, dehydration, hydration, hydrogenation. So many reactions are there, na? Precipitation reaction, very good. And what you know, sublimation reaction, esterification reaction, wow, you are knowing big names. Double displacement reaction, wow, very good. Acha, you know disproportionation reaction, you know. Have you heard the word disproportionation reaction? Emulsification, saponification, combination, hydrohalogenation, neutralization, very good. Do you know disproportionation reaction? Batao, have you heard? Do you know nahi? Have you heard about this word? Disproportionation reaction. No? Have you heard the reaction comproportionation reaction? So means there are so many reactions. We are mainly writing the mechanism behind the reactions. Okay? Like see what we are doing in organic chemistry. Like if I say substitution reaction, what do you mean by substitution reaction? Batao. What do you think? What do you mean by substitution reaction? What do you mean by substitution reaction? Batao. These all things you have said, na? So you all know. What I am telling you, focus on this point only. Replacement. You can say replacement. You can say replacement. You can just say like, sir, IPL going on, na, impact player you have seen. Impact player, one gone, other comes in. So impact player is substitution, you can say. Impact player is substitution. Substitution simply means replacement, replace one. Now this reaction can be further divided into many, like you can say electrophilic substitution. Someone can say nucleophilic substitution. Someone can say free radical substitution. Can you see how things are expanding? From one reaction, I wrote 3 reactions. Electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution, free radical substitution, anything is there? Huh? ठीक है? अच्छा, in addition, sir, what do you mean by addition? What do you mean by addition? So addition means what? Something you are adding extra. Something you are adding extra. Something you are adding extra. So this is known as addition reaction. Here also you can say electrophilic addition. You can say nucleophilic addition. You can also say free radical addition. Okay? See, similar things are happening. Then they will ask you, can you tell me elimination reaction? What do you mean by elimination? Then you will use your power of English and then you will tell, sir, elimination means to removing something. Nahi batao, eliminated. You watch Big Boss and all those rubbish things. Elimination round going on. What do you mean by elimination round going on? What? Someone will go, someone will come. Or that person gone. What do you mean by elimination? Elimination means what? Gone. Clear na? See, in organic chemistry, we say that these two things are opposite of each other. So let's study these things one by one. Okay, removing. Elimination means what? Removing. Okay. ठीक है, fine, good. Na? Now see here. देखो, what we are saying, substitution reaction. You said कि substitution, तो sir we know कि replacement. What do you mean by electrophilic substitution? कि one electrophile will replace other electrophile. Let's talk about substitution first. Substitution reaction. One electrophile will replace other electrophile. Like see, this is benzene. Everyone knows this is benzene. This is H here. Everyone knows this point also. Ki every carbon having one hydrogen atom. Every carbon having one hydrogen atom. So if I do a reaction like this, ध्यान से देखो, everyone see this. So what do you think? What is this? बताओ तो Cl plus is electrophile or nucleophile? Cl plus is electrophile or nucleophile? बताओ, Cl plus is electrophile or nucleophile? जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, quickly. Electrophile. So one electrophile is coming and removing other. Remove H plus and put Cl plus. Remove H plus and put Cl plus. This is only known as electrophilic substitution reaction. This is only known as electrophilic substitution reaction. One electrophile replacing other electrophile. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Is it okay? देखो, is this okay? One electrophile replacing. This is the replacement. Simple. One gone, other came. ठीक है, done. Oxidation and all, leave it for now. Can you guess now what will be nucleophilic substitution? Can you guess what will be nucleophilic addition? Sorry, nucleophilic substitution. Can you guess what is nucleophilic substitution? You will simply say one nucleophile will come and replace other nucleophile. Simple. One nucleophile will come and replace other nucleophile. Let's see this example. देखो, OH minus, what do you think? OH minus is what? बोलो जल्दी. OH minus is what? OH minus is an electrophile or nucleophile? जल्दी बोलो, जल्दी जल्दी. Quickly. Today तो you are studying totally a new thing, no? Rest of the days you are knowing many points. Sir, this to I have seen already. This to I have already studied. But today this type of reaction is totally new for you. So बताओ, this is what? Nucleophile. Now this OH minus will come and remove Cl minus. This OH minus will come and remove Cl minus. देखो, this is the product I am writing. This OH minus will come and remove Cl minus. Clear? So this reaction is what? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Is it okay? देखो. So can you see one electrophile replacing other? So first of all you have to see कि replacement is there or not. Yes, replacement is there. Who is replacing? Electrophile is replacing, nucleophile is replacing, or something else is replacing. If one electrophile replaces other electrophile, electrophilic substitution. One nucleophile replaces other nucleophile, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Clear? बोलो भाई. Done. Okay. Now we will say, sir, last one left, sir, free radical substitution. चलो ठीक है. You know methane. You will say free radical. Sir, what is this free radical? This is called free radical. One electron you will find, dot is written, one electron. This is also electron deficient only. Odd electron species also you can say. One electron will be there. So Cl dot will replace H dot. This is known as free radical. Electrophile you have written plus, nucleophile you have written minus, but here only single dot is there. This is known as free radical. So Cl dot will replace H dot. So the product will be CH3Cl and you can write H radical. H radical unstable, it does not exist. It combines with someone, but you can think ki this is free radical substitution. One radical replacing other radical. Free radical substitution. What is your doubt, भाई? क्या doubt हो गया तुम्हारा? So if electrophile replaces, nahi, this cannot happen, na? Same thing will replace same thing. Like suppose if we have to substitute teacher, like next new teacher will come, then this is known as teacher substitution. One teacher will come, other teacher will go. It cannot happen like this, na, ki teacher is gone and you bring one student here. Huh? It is not like this, na, ki teacher will go and you will bring a student. Sir, substitution. Then who will teach here? Huh? You will start talking about IPL only. Teaching stopped. You will start making reels only. Sir, reels going viral, sir. We are enjoying this good song in the background. That is not the study, na? We have written OH minus. Negative charge means what? Extra electron. Negative charge means what? Extra electron. Electron rich nucleophile. Oxygen you will have to write. Oh, we are not saying only like this ki O2 is not radical, we are saying. O2 is not radical, we are saying. ठीक है ना? O2 is not radical. Is it okay? देखो. So now you understood what is substitution reaction, what is electrophilic substitution. Ghibli art you are making. Sir, that child will come here and he will also make one, you will also make one. Nice gift class going on. So substitution should be at the same level. Student will be substituted by students. Teacher will be substituted by teachers. No. What we are writing, that only. You have to use it as a radical. ठीक है? Done? So will you be able to identify substitution reactions? Jaldi batao. Will you be able to identify substitution reactions? Yes. Okay. So now let's see first. Sir, where is this in NCERT? Are you teaching something outside NCERT? Where is this point in NCERT? So let's do two questions. Array network in Lingon. Wait. It is the good. Connected also. What is this 202? Chalo, good. So let's do some questions of NCERT. See. Here only it is written. Here written, bhai. Dekh. Idhar dekho, bhai. Idhar dekho. Types of organic reaction and mechanism. Type of this only mechanism I was telling you. I did not use the word mechanism. Otherwise you will get confused. Sir, what is this mechanism? What is this? So see, these are the things written here. Substitution reactions, addition reactions, elimination reactions, rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement is also written, but we will leave something for future also. Mechanism. This word is there in NCERT. Chalo. So let's see some questions which are in NCERT. तो चलो आ जाओ देख लेते हैं. Let's see, are you having any question there or not? Aja, let's go to the last part. Let's see. So we will come to this point first. 8.13. 8.13. So see, so many questions we have done. आ जाओ भाई. So can you see this question? 8.12. What are electrophiles and nucleophile? Explain with example. Done. Aipoindi. Then next question is there, 8.13. Identify reagents shown in bold in the following equations as nucleophile and electrophile. So jaldi batao, what is this? This is an electrophile or nucleophile. So see, till now we have done so many questions of NCERT class 11. You are still in class 10. Your result is not there, not published. You are still in class 10th, but you have solved many questions of class 11 NCERT, which can come in NEET also. Okay, so bolo bhai, what is this OH minus? OH minus is a nucleophile. What is this CN minus? Electrophile, nucleophile, you have to tell. Have you read the question? CN minus is also a nucleophile. No. Vallabh, don't take those examples. CS3, can you tell me what is this? CS3CO plus. Last one, CH3CO plus. What is this? CH3CO plus. What is this? This is an electrophile. Correct. So see, 3 questions of NCERT done or not? 3 questions of NCERT done. 3 questions of NCERT done. So you have studied electrophile, nucleophile, and you quickly did some questions from NCERT. Now see, there is next question also. 8.14. Now in this, so many questions are there. We are not going to do all. We have just given you the trailer, teaser. We have just given you the trailer, teaser of NCERT and the reactions and all, so that you can say something. The rest thing we will study in the class, in the offline part. So this is the last point now. Classify the reactions in one of the reaction type studied in the unit. Can you tell me only about A reaction? You have to tell. We are not interested in B, C, D. Jaldi bata do if you can tell what is A reaction category. Last question you tell, rest offline. Okay, na? Part of organic chemistry we have studied a lot. Batao, which reaction is this? Substitution, addition, elimination. You will say, sir, addition, elimination, I am not knowing. Correct, you are not knowing. Theek hai, leave it. But is this looking like substitution? Yes, sir, this is looking like substitution. SH is coming, B are going. Acha, which substitution? Batao, is SH, you cannot see here minus sign. This is an electrophile or nucleophile? Nucleophile. So this is which reaction? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Understood? So whatever we studied in this 50 minutes, we have seen 4 questions from NCERT. We have seen 4 questions from NCERT. These 3 things later on. So that's all for today. So we have studied so many classes and we have studied so many topics. Okay? So this week in 2 classes we have studied degree of halogen, degree of amine, degree of alcohol, and we have also studied what is electrophile, what is nucleophile, basic, and we have done 4 questions of NCERT. So enough for today and enough for this organic part, I think. In the next class we can start something else. Okay, so hope you have understood whatever we have taught you. Is it okay? बोलो भाई समझ में आ गया? Have you seen the importance what we are teaching? Same thing is in NCERT, same thing is going to come in NEET. By just showing you the questions of NCERT, we have done this. We teach, we take the questions of NCERT. 5, 6 you have already done. ठीक है? We will see when the college opens. It generally may end June first week. It is like this. ठीक है? Exam will be easy. If you will study, everything is easy. If you don't study, everything is difficult. If you keep forgetting, things are again difficult. If you keep revising, things are easy. ठीक है? Done. What is the doubt, Jaswant? चलो ठीक है. Thanks everyone. Bye bye. हो गया भाई खत्म. Send me the link of NCERT. We have said na last class. Search there in Google some basic concept of organic chemistry. You will get it. Okay. Chalo. Done. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.